Hi Levi, this is Louis here from Wally. Is this the one you're looking for? You can see we have a full, this is the exhibition room. You can see we have so many models, and this is only a portion of it. Only like 300 or 400 models here. We actually produce like 1,500 models of this kind of fuel pumps. Not only this fuel pump assembly, we also produce like high pressure fuel pump. Let me show you in a bit. Okay, these are the fuel pump. These are the high pressure fuel pump. Heavy, really heavy.